Hi friends, thank you so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Alyssa, and today I'm going to be making this Peekaboo double pocket envelope using 6x6 paper. So this project is super quick and easy, and the paper pad that I'm using today and for this one is the Bright Vintage paper pad from the Paper Studio. And you can see here, there's just a little pocket in the front, and it says today is full of possibilities. I added some stickers, but I thought I would put this in a journal, so I kind of just put some little ephemera pieces, a tag there that you can open up and journal inside. And then here's the little peekaboo part, so you can kind of see what's inside the actual envelope. So this is a little wax seal sticker from the Dollar Tree, just as decoration. And I actually have two little Velcro dots here to close it up. So I just made this little journaling card, did some collaging on the front there, and that's going to go in my journal. But this would be so cute too for a little Valentine's gift. You could put a Valentine's card in here, maybe add some chocolates or tea bags or a gift card, even cash. So I just thought it was cute too to just stick it right into a journal. So go ahead and grab some 6x6 paper and we can make one together. The first thing that we're going to do is just grab one 6x6 paper, and this one we're going to start by holding this on the 6-inch side with your pattern going the way that you want it to go if you have a directional print. But we're going to start by scoring at 1 and 5. So there's 1 and 5. Whoa, why is this freaking out? Sorry, that was kind of freaking out, but 1 there and 5 there. And then I'm going to turn my paper just once to the other 6-inch side, and I'm going to score at 1.5. And this little 1.5 score is going to be the front little pocket. So just this part right here. So I'm actually going to turn it this way now so you can see it a little bit better. But basically we're just going to fold in the sides here. So this was the 1 and 5 scores. And then this little pocket we're just going to fold upwards. And actually, let me just unfold everything and fold that up by itself. And then at this point, I am just going to cut out a little triangle here and then over here as well. So just along this little score line, I'll just go in like that, cut out a little triangle, and same thing on the other side. And I'll just cut off these corners a bit as well, kind of angle those. Okay, so we're going to have this, and then we'll just fold the little pocket up. And if you want, you can corner round your corners of your pockets here. So that's what I did with that first one. I guess I'll just do it again with this one. And then I'm going to take my glue here and just pop it on these little tabs down here and bring that right up. And then Did I corner round something else here, actually? I did. I corner rounded these pieces too, so if you want to do that before you glue down your edges. I'll just quickly redo this part. Okay, there we go. And we'll just let all of that dry. And then what we're going to do is just grab, well, I'm grabbing another 6x6, but I'm going to cut it down to be a little less than 4 inches wide. So this is going to be the lid portion. So I'll do like 3 7/8 of an inch wide by 6 inches tall. And you'll have an extra little scrap, which with these, I kind of just fold them in half and turn them into those little flippy tags. But here's my sheet that's a little less than 4 by 6. And with this one, I'm just going to flip it upside down pretty much because the lid, I want the butterflies to be going this way. So I'm just turning it to the blank side here since I have single-sided paper. And I'm kind of just going to shimmy this down. And I don't bring this paper all the way down to the very end here. I kind of just stop like once I reach the top of this pocket here pretty much, so that you can't really tell that that paper is behind there. So I'll do something like that. In fact, I'll just glue it down now, but I just wanted to make sure that it fit in there. So I'll just pop some glue, maybe on like the bottom half of this paper, slide it back in. Again, kind of just up to the top here of this pocket. Make sure that it's in a good position. And then at this point, I kind of just eyeball my lid. So I'll just fold this part down to wherever I want it to go. So this part I don't really score. I just eyeball it to look something like this, and it'll open just like a regular little envelope. And that's pretty much it. Super quick and easy. And then I'm also going to corner round here. And that's going to be our little envelope. So let me just remove the scoreboard. And then, like I said, you could fill this up with some little treats for Valentine's. Maybe even stick a tea bag in the front there in that little pocket. But for this one, I'll also probably stick this in a journal. So for now, I just put together this journaling card and just did some collaging once again. And I'll stick that right in here into that main pocket. And then I have so many of these little tags just that I made with the scraps or leftover pieces from other projects. So I love to use these in my journals personally. And then this is just a little card that says today is a new day. So you could stick some fun little goodies like that in here as well, just to use for journaling. And then I'm going to grab just one Velcro dot. So pretty much just these two pieces, and I'm going to put them together and then cut them in half, or cut this in half so that I get two little semicircle pieces. One just fell off, so there we go. And then I will kind of just stick them to Oh no, I put the wrong ends together. Did I? Yes, you did. Okay, let me fix that. Okay, so I'll put one piece over here and then one over here. Of course, you can do any kind of closure you like, but then I'll just bring my lid down and we have that. Maybe you don't like that Velcro look, so you don't even have to include a closure either. It's totally up to you, but that's going to be my envelope there, and then I'll add a few more little decorations. So these are the wax seal stickers from Dollar Tree, and I'll just pop one on here for decoration because I like that look. And then maybe I'll add this little butterfly here in the corner. It is a sticker, but I'm going to add foam tape to here and just attach it to that. If I can get this off. And maybe I'll just add one little sentiment down here that says, "Be in love with your life." We'll just stick it down there. And that's going to be my little Peekaboo double pocket envelope using some 6x6 paper. So these are really quick and easy to make for Valentine's, for journals, for Happy Mail. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this quick tutorial today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more crafty fun and inspiration. And definitely feel free to leave me a comment down below so I can say hi to you. But other than that, I will see you all in my next video. So happy crafting and huge hugs!